Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G5G Plus, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. The first one is using the phone dialer, and the second is through the settings. So let me show you both. Let's begin with opening the dialer, and let's type *06#. And as you can see here, we've got IMEI info and serial number. Let's click on OK, and let me show you the second option. Let's open the list of apps. Find the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and choose About Phone, and here we've got both IMEI numbers, and if you want to find the serial number, simply tap on Model and Hardware, and on the second position we've got the serial number. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Motorola Moto G5G Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.